As the president of Oklahoma City University, I can't wait to welcome you to our campus community. Oklahoma City is really a fun place to live. We are right in the heart of it, so we are close to wonderful restaurants. It's just a really great community, and there's a lot to do in Oklahoma City.
We are in the middle of Oklahoma City. We are truly just minutes from terrific shopping and dining, from cultural experiences, whether you want to go down to the River Sports area, whether you want to go to the Plaza District, the Paseo Arts District, we are just right around the corner from it.
There are always OCU students there. We get discounts with our ID cards when you go to the Plaza District. We have alums that run restaurants there, so it is really a great vibe just a couple of blocks from here.